this is what we got. So originally I thought our fuse has blown here, and we thought that was the problem. I ended up putting a new fuse in it, and it still blew. So what is my problem with my hot water unit? Why won't it burn? Why won't it catch fire? Why won't it do anything? Well, I don't want it to catch on fire, but why won't it do it? So we went, started the pressure washer up, turned the switch on, and nothing. No light, nothing, it went out. So I got to investigate a little bit more, and we got to look at this crazy wiring diagram down here that's trying to blow away on me. And what we have found is, and I'll walk you through this diagram here, and I will try to put this diagram on the website for you. So our white fuse is the one that blew, white. So white comes in here, white comes into our switch, which our switch is right there. There's our switch. From our switch, the white wire comes up in through here, and the white wire comes into 30 right here. So white wire comes into this relay back here. This is a relay. I believe it's a 30 amp relay. So we checked the relay. Actually, I didn't check the relay. I went to the next step. And so the 30 here runs across here, and 30 turns into red, which red comes into the DC motor. So basically that one comes up here, runs through this relay right here, and it runs the motor. I don't know if I'll be able to show you this or not. We'll actually pull it apart here. But on the little squirrel cage here, no turn. It turns very little. So this motor here is bad. Or we're gonna take it apart and see if we can get it freed up and working. So we'll figure out how to get this apart, and I'll do some more video of how to get it apart. But I'm pretty sure that our motor is bad because it's shorting out, and it's causing us to burn a fuse up again. And so we're going to take it apart. We'll have to take these two bolts off here. We'll have to get the wire right here that's coming into it. I think it comes into one of these wires right here, for them right here. I believe red is one and this is the other one. And so we will disconnect all these wires down in here, so that way, yeah, these two bolts right here come off. Now, the only thing I don't know, and we may have to look, if we have to take the fuel pump off. I don't think we will. I think we can get it off this way. So we'll see here.
This one
spins. I think both of them spin. I think you can. Nope, this one's got to come over. Nope, that one will spin too. They'll spin right out there. All right. So DJ is getting to learn how to work on a hot water unit.
There it goes.
All right, good. We don't have to. So there is a piece of plastic on here.
And now it turns.
Now it turns. So that means maybe our fuel pump is bad then.
Or this here. What is this right here?
Is there something down in there that was catching it?
Well, there's a shaft, whatever this right here. That's probably what that in. I wonder if we turn it on,
see if this will work.
See if this spins.
Yes, but we want to make sure that nothing gets in the way of that.
Yes.
And when we do this, we also don't want to touch this here, because this will go zip, 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 zip you. So I don't know if it'll turn on or not. Go ahead and put the fuse in it. Thinking that fuel pump might have been bad. Actually, I tell you what, let's do it to be safe. We'll pull the sprocket out of there, pull this out of there, put it back in there, and then that way we'll be able to know if that's working or not.
Okay. And
then put a new fuse in it. Yep. DJ likes when I scare him a little bit.
Normally
Yep, that works. I'm not blowing
did you do that on purpose? You knew that was going to happen.
I jumped just as much.
That's it. So it's definitely the fuel pump then, isn't it?
Then the fuel pump, or something over here on the fuel pump, is our problem then.
This is back on.
So we know that the mower blower is not bad. Now we're going to test to see if our fuel pump is bad, and it could be, that's the only thing left, knowing that our motor is not bad, our fuel pump, and then this is our igniter, and that's pretty much all that can go wrong here with this hot water. Will you shut up back there? That's my big dumb dog back there. That ran away forever, and he weighs about 200 pounds. So if you want to mess with a giant, come mess with a giant. But all right, so let's see here if we can pull this fuel pump off on this side. And
which is over here.
actually, see, I tell you what you could do is put that. If you put that in there, can you reach it up? No, can you reach that in there? Or no, you can't reach it, can you?
What do you want me?
Well, we'll have to pull the fuel pump off.
You think the fuel pump, or it could be the solenoid that'd be bad?
No, the fuel pump. The solenoid won't be bad. It's the fuel pump.
So you want to put this back in here?
No, not yet. You can, but not yet. You don't have to.
Okay.
So we'll unplug it here. We need to get a wrench to get it off of there. And then we'll have to do these 2 little bolts here. And then we'll pull off the fuel pump. And this is basically the whole system for the hot water unit. A lot of these are all about the same. This is a 12-volt one. It's not a older one. This has a 12 volt. And also this has the photo cell. This is a photo cell. Sometimes these get dirty and this can be a problem. If it's not lighting, it won't light. That will be an issue. If our rods here that go into the chamber, if they get out of adjustment, burnt up, can cause it, stuff like that. So we will get these off here. You can either get that. That's what she never said.
Nope, she's never said that to me. No, this is just like a regular gas line, like our brake line, isn't it?
It is. Yep, that's all it is. You don't have to get crazy on tightening them when you do them till you do that. And then the 2 bolts, if you want to take the lines off of it or just do the 2 bolts.
There's the line.
Don't bend it too much.
And then where's the bolt?
There's 1 bolt right here and 1 bolt on the other side. It should be that same socket size, I think.
Yep.
And 1 right there.
We got the key turned off, everything, right? So
no, it's not. Here, I turn it off. He gets a little jumpy on me over here.
Especially with Blessrick. I'm terrified of that stuff.
Oh, this is kind of a pain in the butt. Getting this back on can be a pain in the butt too. Usually you'll want to put the fuel lines on after the fact. You might have to take that line off the back. We have to take the line off the back, or is it below that? No, it's below that.
You can't see it. How do you see it? I don't see it.
Right there it is.
Is it going this way?
Yeah, it's going in that way. It makes it good too when you've got big old hands. And